Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see in my hand, I'll be unboxing Lucifer the End. And if you see here in the very bottom, you'll see the owner of the Lucifer the End lane. So we are gonna unbox it. But first, I'm going to tell you about a move of Lucifer the End, which is Limit Breaker, or I think it's Limit Break. And it activates when a Beyblade hits it with lots of force, or it has done 3 ticks. That's how the Limit Breaker ability activates. So it is very awesome. So you can see here we have this chip, we have the end ring, we have the core disc, and we have the drift driver. I think it's very awesome. So finally I'm gonna unbox the drift driver Lucifer the End. It will be awesome. So let's unbox it. I have my scissors and I will first get rid of this tape here. I think I can do it. So let's get opening it. So first we have the ripcord. Here we go. This is our ripcord. And then I see the launcher. It's a right spin launcher I have here. And look, I find some of the bay parts. Look at that. Here are the parts of the Beyblade. So let's unbox it. So I'm gonna open. Oh, I think we can open like this only. Yes. This. Oh, it's coming in the limit break ability on. It's on. 1 second. I'll just adjust. Yes. I think we have to do something to undo it. Yes, I'm surprised. How do we do it? And look at that. I switched up the limit break. And you can see these 2 tabs here. These activate the limit break when we switch on with this. After 3 ticks, this disc comes to these tabs and activate the limit break. And it becomes free spinning then. As you saw, I was trying to fix it. I finally done it. And here we have the stickers. I don't put them. And here we have the main attraction, Lucifer the End's chip. Wow, it's looking awesome. And then the last part, which is the driver. Oh, the tip is metal right now. Wow, that's awesome. This driver is very nice because it's a very nice defensive driver. So I'll disconnect all of these. Let's see. I think you have to connect it like this. Yes, I finally connected that. And you have to see this rubber part. And in the box, if you see in the box, there's some explanation here, but we can't understand it. I can't translate, but I can explain you. This means that when the limit break ability happens, the tip, and you see this rubber part, it creates friction and makes it hard to burst. so that the bursting is very hard. And you will see this, right? This thing, you can see this thing activates the limit break ability, because this thing comes over the tab and do it. So we have the stickers. I don't want to put the stickers, so let's assemble it. Yes, and I just put on the drive. Oh, what's it? I think the limit brake is on. I fixed it, but the limit brake got on. Oh, so let's test it in this big blue stadium. So this is Lucifer. It's going into stadium. But first, before launching it with the launcher, let's see its movement. Wow, it's a very nice way. The defensive power you could see. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Shut. Okay, that's very nice. Defensive power. I have a Beyblade Mirage 5 and it also does the same thing. The stamina got low. Wow. But look at his defensive movement there. That's a pure defense Beyblade movement. You could see there. So I bet this is a nice Beyblade. It's like Mobius, but a short form. The drift driver. It's like Mobius short form. So I'll meet you in the next video. Bye guys.